How to sync Notion with Google Calendar on mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can sync Notion with Google Calendar. Now before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's just jump right into it. So to sync your Notion with Google Calendar, you will first need to download an app called Notion Calendar. So you can go to your Google Play Store, find Notion Calendar, and then download it. After you do that, you can then open up your Notion Calendar. After you open it up, you'll need to log in. So let's just wait for this to load. Now I'll just continue with the same Google account that I use with my Notion. So after you log in into your Notion, what you'll need to do is go to the calendars account, tap on the three lines on the top left. After you're there, go to your profile on the top. And after you're here, head over to calendars. From here, you can see the calendar account. You can connect to Google Calendar. All you have to do is tap on connect. Then you'll need to choose your account. Then tap on continue after you choose your account. And after you do that, you will need to give it permissions for calendars. Now I've already given those, so you won't see it, but every permission with calendar will be need to be selected, and then tap on continue. After you do that, it will basically now be connected. You can see it's been connected right here, calendar accounts, and now everything that is in my Google account will now be available in my Notion calendar. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.